Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me cut this camera off. Hold on, because that camera is so loud. That camera is so loud, and y'all will hear the motor running on it. Okay, let me scoot up because I got some tea for y'all. Okay, so this is a baddie wig. West Kiss, y'all did y'all's big one. Y'all did y'all's thing. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, this wig is busting, y'all. Like, it's laid, it's slayed, edge is laid, the hair is thick and full. Like, they did their big one with this one, y'all. This wig came pre-plucked and pre-bleached and pre-styled in the middle part already. It's bomb. It's good to go. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I installed it, how I achieved this look, make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay, it's definitely be showing y'all from start to finish. Okay, also, if you guys are new here, you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I just wanted to get on here and talk and show my face because I don't do that a lot on my channel, which I don't know why. Like, I be in the zone doing what I need to do. So I figured I'd stop for a minute and talk to y'all, okay? Like I said, I'll be doing more talk throughs. Make sure y'all stay tuned, okay? We're gonna get into it and I'm gonna show y'all, you know, how I got this baby laid and slayed. Okay. All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know I have locks. Okay, I need a retwist real bad. Like, I feel like I just did one. That's how fast my hair is growing. So yeah, length check for real. But y'all know I gotta show y'all how I put my hair into my ponytail, because I get asked this a lot. So I just put it in a low ponytail, like at the back, like the nape. Like, just put it in a low ponytail like that, and then you want to split it into like two little sections, just with your fingers. Just separate the hair like that, and then I'm going to use 2 wig caps. Okay, so just go ahead and put the first wig cap on, and then you're going to push the locks up like this, you know, stops them from like getting shrinkage, because y'all see my locks have grown like a lot. Okay, so this is how I get it like flat in the top, and then the rest of the hair like pushed, you know, at the nape. If all the hair is at the nape, then it's easier to stretch the wig over, you know. So this is the tea, okay? And I do use a second wig cap. I didn't show that here, but definitely use 2. It further compresses everything. So today's wig is from West Kiss, y'all. They send a bunch of goodies inside. They sent me a little pink bonnet, and then I got some little lashes. I might try these, actually. These are like the first lashes that they sent that have actually been cute. And then they sent a little edge brush, as well as a wig cap, some HD wig caps, and then a lace band. And then they do include a little pink satin bag for you to store your wig in. So I will be using everything they sent. So these are some goodies for real, and it's pink, so y'all know I like that. Okay, so here's the wig, y'all, out the package. This is my initial reaction. Like, she was given, and I couldn't wait to put her on. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the hairline. This is 26 inches, you guys, Brazilian body wave, curly. And look at that hairline. It came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Like, that, I didn't have to do anything to this unit at all. Like, and it came styled in the middle part already. So this is me putting it on straight out of the box. Like, nothing, I've done nothing to this wig. Okay, so as you can see, it's a little small. So I have to kind of pull everything to the front, and this is how I put my wig on over my locks. You don't pull it over that until it's laid down yet, because you're gonna have to smush that in there, which I'll show later. But for this part, I did cut the lace off of my head on the mannequin head, just so that I can see everything. Y'all take your time. I used a eyebrow razor, and I left a little bit of lace on the wig, and I just kind of followed the hairline or whatever, because I didn't want to mess this wig up, y'all, because this wig was so nice. So I like purposely took my time. Okay, so now it's time to lay the wig, y'all. I am brushing my edges back. Okay, that's key to get your natural edges laid and out of the way. I used the same wig spray I've been using, the Babyyyy lace spray. I got it from my beauty supply for like $13. So yeah, I'll link that also in the Amazon box so that y'all can see it. But y'all, go ahead and put the wig on. I didn't know if this had an elastic band, but yes, it does have an elastic band. And yeah, so I'm putting the wig on, trying to get it, seeing where it's gonna lay after I've cut that lace. And y'all, we're gonna have to do a bit of tugging on this one, okay? So I do about 3 layers of this. So I'll spray it all over my hairline and then kind of like brush it back to create a thick layer of the spray. So that's what y'all see me doing here. And make sure that you dry in between each step. So let it dry and then spray it again. And I've done this 3 times. You can do it as many times as you want. I recommend more than one though, because it'll start sliding. This is guaranteed to make your wig last 2 weeks or more. Okay. So I just go ahead and I put that first part in there, like that middle part, and get it nice and like in there in that glue. I don't glue the edges down just quite yet, because we got to do those one at a time, okay? Because you're gonna have to pull and stretch just a little bit. So yeah, get that middle part nice and melted, and then I go in on the side parts. You may have to go in and use some more spray, because sometimes that spray like dries down real fast. But go ahead and stretch it over your hairline. You may have to pull and tug just a little bit, but be careful, don't you rip that lace, because you're gonna be crying. You're gonna be crying. But yeah, that's what y'all see me doing. I'm just placing the lace, like stretching it and pulling it and placing it down. So you kind of gotta play with it from all sides and all angles. So like I said, sometimes I have to go in and reapply the lace on the spray on the sides, because it be getting dry. But yeah, go ahead and tug it. And I do like to use the little side tabs to help me kind of get it flat. You want it flat and you want it to go over your hairline, so you kind of have to pull it and tug it different ways. So I do this, and then I go in with the comb and I just get the lace into that spray, like it further like melts it down. So it's super easy, y'all. I did have the wig cap in a size large, so when you order it, make sure you get a size large. If you have locks, if you don't, get your regular size, but they do have large. So this worked out great for me. And yeah, I put the wig is now melted and laid, and girl, I was like feeling myself right here. Like the lace melted so good into my skin, and it's a very fine thin lace. I then went in with my elastic band, and I just I kept that on for like a good 30 minutes, because I just wanted everything to melt into my head or whatever. So I went ahead and I smushed all that wig cap into the wig. Like I said, you cannot do this step until your lace is on, okay? Because you will have to tug it. Now I'm going in and I'm further extending that part. There's always like a little inch or two where they just don't part it, and I like to get as much parting space as I can. This one is 13 by 4, I believe, but I think it's like 13 by 5, because it's a pretty nice parting space. But I know it ain't no 6, because I've had 6 before, and it was like to the back of my head. So yes, y'all, took the elastic band off, and it was popping. Like, I'm feeling myself here. I did further go in with this hot comb, and I just pressed everything like back, getting everything flat. Make sure you don't burn yourself like I did. Like, be careful, because that is hot, and then you're gonna have burn marks on your head. Now what I'm doing here is I'm carving out the baby hairs. So this is like my favorite step of doing the wigs, is the baby hairs. I tried to keep them natural as possible, like not pulling out too much hair, and then you want to get both sides to match. So I did go in with this hot comb and kind of like press them flat. I recommend doing this part on the wig, on the mannequin head, because you can get them real flat, but it is what it is. I had to do it this way. So I'm using this eyebrow razor to cut it, and it just leaves like a feathery baby hair look. Cut it in an angle, and yeah, it's gonna look bomb. So I am using the Fantasia mousse spray, and I'm just putting it on my finger and then putting it on the little baby hair, and then I go in and swoop it. I love using the Fantasia mousse because it like further makes the lace look more natural. It kind of gives it that wet look, like it's like laid. So I do like doing that, doing my baby hairs with that. It's like so bomb. So I will list that down in my description box for y'all to check out. So everything will be listed there, honestly. So yeah, check all that out. And then I moved into my sideburns. Y'all, I'm still a noob at the sideburns. Like, I felt like these looked a little bit unnatural, but you know, we'll get it together one of these days. But this is how I did it. Okay, so now we on to the part about I'm stretching the hair out so that y'all can see. This is 26 inches, y'all, so it is very long, even though it's curly hair. Y'all know how curly hair got that shrinkage. It just, you know, shrinks back up. But now is my favorite part, is getting the hair nice and wet and juicy. So I just have water in my spray bottle here, and then I go ahead and comb some mousse through it. And then I go in with I think this is the curl detangler. I forgot what it's called, but there's like a new version of it out now. But this is what I use to get those curls nice and juicy, this little detangler. And then I go in with the Denman brush. I know for sure that one's called the Denman brush because, yeah. But yeah, there is a little bit of shedding with this one, y'all. Not too bad, not too much. So it's really surprising how thick it is and how little shedding there was. That there was shedding, but just not a lot. Okay, so yeah, this hair was really cute. Like, and once I got that nice and like detangled, it just like the curls were popping and juicy to the ends. Okay, like this hair is thick from the root to the end. So this is a really good quality hair and good quality wig, and I really liked this wig. This is my favorite wig from all time. I do want to note, when you're using the Denman brush, to pull the hair, pull it and let the hair snap back into the natural curl. That's how you get them curls real juicy, girls. So that was pretty much everything I did with this wig. I am going in with the Ruby Kisses cream concealer, and this is in the shade 13. So I'll go in with the lighter shade in the part area, and then I go in with the darker shade around the like that line of lace. This just further kind of hides it, even though this didn't really need it. It's just a step that I always do, especially when I'm not wearing makeup, because yeah, you can see the lace sometimes. But y'all, this was a super quick and easy install. Like, the hair is bomb, the lace is bomb. Like, if you don't get this one, like, get this one. There should be none. So yeah, this is pretty much all that I did, y'all. This hair is bomb. I had a really good time installing it, like, which is not rare, but like, it was really easy and simple, and they really took their time making this wig. Okay, so make sure y'all check out West Kiss. Of course, everything will be listed down in the description box for y'all to check out. I highly recommend this, y'all. 26 inches, like, this is baddie hair, and I was feeling myself. I got this wig on right now as I'm doing this voiceover, because this is my style of wig, y'all. And then you can do like so much, because it's a frontal. So I will probably make a video about me styling it in different styles. I just wanted to come on here and install the wig and like show it in the natural state. Okay, get this wig, y'all. I highly recommend West Kiss. I hear nothing but good things about them, and so being able to try it, I think y'all should get it. Okay, so make sure you guys check this out in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Your support does not go unnoticed. Bye.
Love.